What a beautiful day to visit the zoo! I want to see the monkeys and the lions.
Okay, everyone. I have the tickets.
Let's go inside! Look, Mom! The giraffe is so tall!
Yes, and look at its neck. It has a very long neck.
I am tall too. Look, I am stretching my neck.
Can I eat leaves like a giraffe?
Ooh. Ah. I am a monkey too.
Oh, Luna, you are so funny.
Look at the monkey swinging so high.
Ooh. I want to draw it before it moves.
I will draw a monkey.
Come on. Let's see the king of the jungle, the lion.
Oh no, the lion is sleeping. Wake up! Wake up, Mr. Lion. But I want to hear a roar. The lion is tired. We must not bother him. It is rude. Wow, look at that big, colorful parrot. It's so bright.
I love all the birds here.
Wow, that snake is so long and shiny.
Ah! Look at the turtle. It's walking so slowly. Wow, the elephant's trunk is so long and strong.
It's eating my cucumber. This is amazing.
Come on, let's go see what's next there.
I can't wait. I hope we see more animals. Look at their stripes. They are so pretty. I want to draw one. It looks like a black and white painting. I want to ride a horse. Please, Dad. It looks so fun. Can we ride too? I feel like I'm flying. This is amazing. I love it too.
Come on, let's enjoy some ice cream before we go.
Yay! This ice cream is so yummy.
Mine tastes like strawberries.
I love it. Look at its colorful feathers. Wow.
It's so big and beautiful. Can we see it closer?
Dad, please take my photo with these beautiful God creators.
Me too. Look at all these amazing colors.
Look at that one hopping so high.
I want to jump like that too. Hold it gently, Luna. See? The kangaroo loves it.
Wow. It's so soft and friendly.
Look at the ducklings following their mom.
They're so cute. I want to feed them. Look, the ducks are eating right from my hand.
They're so soft and cute. I love them. Yum! This sandwich tastes so good after walking around.
And my juice is so refreshing. I love snack time. Look at this llama. It's so soft.
They're so cute. Wow. Look at how slow it moves ago. I think it's napping and eating at the same time.
It's like it's floating in the tree. Wow! Did you see that flip? It's amazing!
I want to splash like that too.
Dad, that sea lion show was the best part of the zoo.
Yes, I loved the flips and splashes. I want to see it again.
Mom, look! A sloth plush just like the one we saw. And a tiny elephant for me. Can we take it home? I can't wait to take my sloth home and show everyone. Me too. My little elephant is coming with us. Thank you for watching. I had so much fun at the zoo today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more adventures.